Africa is a continent that is full of potential and creativity, with a lot of countries leading the way in innovation and technology. No one wants to be left behind in this age of artificial intelligence. Some countries in Africa are far ahead of the rest when it comes to innovation and technology. These are the countries that should be on the list of every tech entrepreneur or investor. Here are the top 5 countries paving the way for the continent when it comes to innovation in the tech space. Number 5. Rwanda. Rwanda has made significant progress in innovation in recent years, particularly in the tech sector. The country has implemented various initiatives to promote innovation, such as the establishment of innovation hubs and the creation of a national innovation fund. Rwanda is also home to several successful startups, including Zipline, a drone delivery company that delivers medical supplies to remote areas. Number 4. Kenya. Kenya has a thriving tech industry, with Nairobi being dubbed the Silicon Savannah. The country has produced several successful startups, including M-Pesa, a mobile money transfer service that has revolutionized the financial industry in Africa. Kenya has also implemented various initiatives to promote innovation, such as the establishment of innovation hubs and the creation of a government-backed venture capital fund. Number 3. South Africa. South Africa has a diverse economy and a well-established innovation ecosystem. The country has produced several successful startups, including Naspers, a multinational media company, and Get Smarter, an online education platform. South Africa has also implemented various initiatives to promote innovation funding, both public and private. Number 2. Egypt. Egypt has a long history of innovation, dating back to ancient times. In recent years, the country has made significant progress in innovation, particularly in the tech sector. Egypt has produced several successful startups, including Vezita, a healthcare booking platform, and SWVL, a ride-hailing service. The country has established innovation hubs and government-backed innovation funds. Number 1. Tunisia. Tunisia has made significant progress in innovation in recent years. It has developed cutting-edge solutions for businesses. For example, Expensia, a cloud-based expense management platform. Tunisia's government has also implemented various initiatives to promote and encourage innovation. These countries have understood that the future is in technology, and the only way to compete in the global market is through innovation. If you are looking to get into any business that provides or requires some sort of innovation or cutting-edge technology in Africa, look no further. For more on this, watch our video on the best cities for tech startups on the continent.